Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about 4 copywriting mistakes that you could be making that could be harming the sales and lead generation of your marketing messaging. I'm copywriter Laura Bean. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more copywriting tips and advice, and welcome to Creative Little World. Okay, before we get started, I like to warm us up with a riddle to get those creative minds working. Okay, so today's riddle. I'm a solitary word of 5 letters. Behead me once and I'm the same. Behead me again and I'm still the same. What am I? Okay, I'll let you ponder that one and I'll tell you the answer at the end of this video. So writing copy for your business is one of the most important things you can do. It's going to be the difference between driving sales or losing customers to your competition. So it's really important that you get it right. But there are some big copywriting mistakes that many people make, and these could be affecting your business and costing you money. These common mistakes are easy to avoid. So watch on to discover 4 that you could easily change right now and make a big difference to your business. Okay, number 1 mistake, not knowing your audience. This is one of the most common mistakes I come across. Businesses don't take the time to really get to know and understand their audience. And the danger with this is that you're not creating copy that speaks directly to them. Quite often, entrepreneurs, coaches, business owners, they write copy that feels right for them, but are you actually your target audience? Are you actually the person you're trying to communicate to? Take some time and do the research. Get to know them, what they like, what they don't like, what kind of language really resonates with them. Use this in your copy and I guarantee you're going to drive a lot more sales because you're going to be connecting and talking to the people that are going to buy from you. So take the time and really get to know your audience. Okay, number 2 is overloading the jargon. As the business owner or entrepreneur, you obviously know what you're selling really well and you really understand your services and your products. You do want to come across as the expert and the authority on the subject matter. This helps build credibility, of course, but at the same time, make sure you're not using jargon that they won't understand. This can make them feel isolated and disconnected from you. It makes that gap between getting to know you, wanting to buy from you, bigger because they don't understand what you're talking about. Instead, use clear and simple language that your audience can understand. This is going to help build the connection with you, and they're more likely to buy when they know what they're buying. Don't confuse them, keep it simple, and make sure your language is relatable. Okay, the 3rd mistake that's commonly made is talking about the features and not the benefits. Many entrepreneurs, coaches, and business owners make the mistake of talking about the features of their product or service. Obviously, it's important that people know what they're buying, but by doing this, you're not helping the person understand how it's going to benefit them to buy from you. So what you need to do here is take all your features and work out what is the benefit to the customer when they buy it. The example I like to use from this is a bottle of shampoo. Okay, so think about that. If you're selling shampoo and you say it cleans your hair, okay, that is a feature, that is what it's going to do, that's the job of the product. But let's think about that deeper. What does that mean for the person buying it? It means that they can have beautiful, shiny, strong hair, which is a great benefit. What if we took it that bit further and we told the audience by using this product, it's going to make them feel confident. They're going to have beautiful hair that's going to give them confidence. Isn't that so much important to the person buying than just your hair will be clean? You see how we got there? So take your features and turn them into benefits. Take a feature, ask yourself, what's the benefit of that? Once you've gone along a stage, you get your benefit, and then do that again. Go even deeper, dive even deeper into why that's a benefit for your customer. That end result and that real deep reason for buying it is what you want to use in your copy And this is what's going to get your customer to buy your product because they understand how it's going to benefit them. Okay, number 4 of the common mistakes you can make in copywriting is making it about you. This is a really common mistake, and a lot of entrepreneurs and coaches will fall into the trap of talking about themselves. It's understandable you want to talk about your experience and qualifications, but to be frank, your audience aren't really interested. What they're interested in is how you can help them. When you make the copy about you, you're missing an opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Your customers want to know what's in it for them and how your product or service is going to benefit them. As we talked about before, it's those benefits that you need to highlight. So to avoid this mistake, shift your focus to your customers. What is it that you do that's going to help them? What are their pain points at the moment, and what solution do you provide? Think about that journey from A to B. How do you get them to B? You need to tell them this. You need to show them how you can help. Use language that resonates with them. As we've already mentioned, avoid using the jargon. It's also worth using lots of you language in your copy. So when you're writing, picture that one person, that audience persona you have, that real clarity on who you're talking to, and write so you're talking to them. Say you, don't say I or me or we. Talk about them, talk about how you help them. Remember, your customers want to feel heard, seen and understood. So making the copy about them is going to really help you connect and drive a lot more sales. Okay guys, that's it. So that's the 4 common mistakes that you could be making with your copywriting. Avoid these and you'll see much better results. So make sure you know your audience, use clear language, highlight the benefits and make your copy about them. Remember, effective copy is all about connecting with your audience, building that relationship and helping them understand how you can help them. I hope this has helped. Okay, before we wrap up this video, I asked you a riddle at the beginning. Did you get it? Okay, so the riddle was, I am a solitary word 5 letters long. Behead me once and I am the same. Behead me again and I'm still the same. What am I? The answer is alone. Did you get it? Behead me once, take off the A, you have lone. Behead me again, take off the L, you have one. They all mean the same. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more copywriting help and advice in the future. If you have any questions on anything in this video or would like me to cover something specific in the future, please just drop a comment below. Thanks again, and remember, every word counts. See you next time.